Hey all, hope you all doing great. I'm superb good here. Today's video is all about the quick unboxing of Scotland Baby Box. Since 2017, parents in Scotland can apply to have baby box when they have got a little one on the way. Mine has arrived. I have had over 34 weeks of pregnancy and still of goodies for our incoming little one. And it's also developed as a bed, so I'm going to take you through what you can get in Scotland Baby Box. And first you can see the cute little book for baby, and I really love this handle. You can hang it anywhere. And the socks, more socks for the baby, and the toothbrush for the little one, and the nail files, the teether, two pants for the baby, one for 0 to 3 months and another one is like 3 to 6 months. And I got the box last time for my second baby, and this is my third one. And the next is baby beep and the hat, then the green and white jumpsuit for the baby, and the size is like after 3 months I think it's quite large. And we have a variety of clothes from newborn that go all the way up to 9 months in different kinds of gender neutral colors. um this is also the another jumpsuit. It's like for 9 months, the numerical and the alphabet one. And the another one is much needed one for this winter. It's the cute little jacket, and I really in love with the color of this. And then we got the maternity pad for mom. They got 12, and this is another book for baby, and more book for little one sleep time. See how cute it is. And then the baby wrap to carry your newborn around. And I have tried this last time. It was really so comfort, and the quality of all the things was very nice. The baby mitten and the baby comforter with giraffe. Then we got the digital bath and room thermometer, the beer shaped baby scrub, and muslin clothes which has three. And then mom's breast pad, much needed one, and they got 24 of them. And this is the baby bath towel. I am really in love with this is my favorite from this box. And some voucher for baby nappies and stuff from Parent Club Scotland. I got more clothes actually for the view on. Then two sleep suits for baby, one more with giraffe printed. It's a little bit different one. And then two bed sheets for the baby mattress, and of course the box is a bed itself. And one more blanket for the baby, the white one, and you can pop the baby inside. And then the play mat, the same one I got for last time. Then we got a baby changing mat. You can also use it for another purpose like baby massage and stuff. And there's some instructions for the box, and the special note one, and inside a poem for the V1 by Jackie K. And they are just welcoming our new one. And some of the instruction for baby things, and some vouchers for baby nappies and stuffs, and baby care guideline for new mom, one more digital thermometer to check the baby temperature, and this is the mattress for the baby to pop in. Thanks for watching. See you soon with another exciting video. Bye.